on a plateau. We'll finally see the destination of today. That's where we're going. Bhùird, 1,000, almost 1,200 meters. And behind there, in the distance, we have Beinn, I think it's pronounced. And that's also very beautiful, but too far away. But yeah, that's the destination of today. What a beautiful day. These paths are not just used by humans, but also animals. I think here we have ptarmigan tracks. Here. It's nice that we share the same paths. So I was wrong actually. The big mountain in front of me here, that is Bhùird, and the one to the right there, oh, that's another mountain. So I'm going up there somehow. I can't really see a route from here, but anyway, that's supposed to be the mountain I'm going to. Started snowing a little bit, but it's still a very beautiful day, I have to say. So yeah, it looks like there's a snow cloud coming in here. Mild snowstorm. Yeah. It's only been 10 minutes and the landscape has changed dramatically from somewhat sunny and cloudy to a snowstorm. So yeah, let's hope this does not last. If that's the case, I might not climb, but we shall see. The storm is worsening. It is not good. But at least I'm not on top of the mountain at this time. I'm just at the bottom, which is great. So the plan is to find some shelter behind a tree or a rock or something and wait out. Look, you can see blue sky. The clouds are dispersing. Maybe it was a brief snowstorm. Hard to say. Second snowstorm on the way up to the mountain. Not sure if I have a good feeling about this. We'll see. Need to find shelter. Emergency shelter from a storm behind a few rocks. It's very, very bad weather. I'm gonna chill here for a while, maybe eat a little bit more. It is quite comfortable because I'm sheltered from the wind. But yeah, I'm not going up the mountain if this continues, obviously. About 20 minutes later and the worst of the snowstorm I think has passed. You can now see clearly, sort of. Still a lot of wind, a little bit of snow, but a lot better. Can't wait 5 more minutes and see how it goes. Sun is out, and I'm out. Onwards, my friend. It's definitely a very serious mountain, you can see that. quite dangerous, to be honest. Very, very windy there. You can see the snow is falling off. The climb continues. It is very, very beautiful. But boy, it looks very windy up there. My feet are very cold. They are wet. And the wind chill here is probably minus 10. I'm guessing up there it will be minus 20. Miles per hour. You can barely stand. Beautiful and terrible at the same time. Complete whiteout, almost at the top of Beinn. I think I'm gonna wait here until the whiteout is cleared. It'd be dangerous to walk on top of it, but there's not much wind here actually. I think it's sheltered from the side, so it's good. I'm here on the side of a mountain at 1,100 meters, waiting out the whiteout and taking shelter. Using my backpack as a windshield. Works quite well. Yeah, a very memorable moment. But I have to wait here for a bit more until the whiteout is cleared. Sun is out. Whiteout is over. Very dark cloud which loomed over. Now it's time to summit. Now or never. Now on top of Beinn. Summit!